Hi guys, so today I'm going to be teaching you guys this Ukrainian buttercream recipe. It's a 2-ingredient recipe and it pipes like a dream and it crusts so well. It has no cream, it has no icing, sugar, it has what else? It has no condensed milk and it crusts so well, like it crusts so well that you can use it underneath your fondant and it will be firm enough for you to have sharp edges and stuff. Okay, so let's get started. You're going to be needing a measuring scale or a measuring scale. You need to measure. If you bake a lot, you need to have a measuring scale. Okay, so for this recipe we're going to be needing 300 grams of white chocolate, and in this you can also use candy melt. I'm using candy melt here. You can also use like good quality white chocolate, so it works really well each time. So we're going to be needing 300 grams. I'm going to be microwaving it for 30 seconds at first, and then we put it back for another 30 seconds. You need to microwave it at 30 seconds interval so it doesn't burn. You don't want to burn your chocolate, so put it back and stir it again. I know it's not well done yet, but still stir it and then put it back again for 30 seconds, because if you put it for 1 minute 30 seconds at a go, you're going to burn your chocolate, and that's not what you want. So take it out and then stir. Okay, so today we're going to put it on our weighing scale again, and into that we're going to measure in 150 grams of butter. And the butter, we're not going to melt it first, we're just going to measure it in there, and then we're going to make sure it's exactly 150 grams of butter. And thank you guys, if this is your first time on my channel, welcome, and I hope you like this video and you subscribe and you find other videos you find useful. It's a really great channel. Of course I'll say that it's my channel. Okay, so to that we want to stir it really well. You don't want to put it in the microwave anymore this time. You just want to use your spatula or your spoon or whatever it is you're stirring with to stir it really well and let it incorporate. Okay, so once you're done stirring, just put it in the mixer. Yes, just stir it and put it in the mixer, and then we're going to whip. We don't have to wait for it to get cold or anything. Like, it is like a miracle buttercream. It is going to whip out so well. It's going to whip up so well. It's going to like gain more volume, and at the same time it is going to be like lighter in color. It's going to be like a lighter cream in color, and it pipes so wonderfully. And unlike American buttercream, it doesn't have that gritty icing sugar feel. It is so smooth, and it tastes just like American buttercream, but just a little bit richer, and it is awesome. I promise you guys, it's awesome. So you're going to whip it for like, I think about maybe 3 to 5 minutes, depending on what kind of mixer you have. If you have a hand mixer, maybe 5 minutes. If you have a stand mixer, maybe about 3 minutes. And see how wonderful it looks. Like, it looks so great. This is what most Ukrainians use for their cakes. Like, I've had this recipe for a while because I used to attend a lot of Ukrainian masterclasses then, but I never really tried them. So this year I'm going to be trying a lot of Ukrainian recipes for you guys. And I hope you like them. So if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and send me a comment in the comment section below how much you like it, and if you want me to make more of this kind of videos. Okay, so see how well it stirs. It stirs so well. See how fluffy it is. And the awesome thing with this buttercream that it crust. When I mean crust, I mean it hardens really fast. So if you're looking for a buttercream that won't just stay and be soft on your cake all day long without putting it in the fridge, you don't need to put it in the fridge. It just crusts really well. In like 5 minutes it will crust, and you need to put it in the microwave again because it crusts really fast. And it pipes like a dream, and it colors so well. Oh, I think I should have colored some of this so you guys can see how well it colors. It colors way better than Swiss meringue buttercream. It colors almost like American buttercream, and it's so awesome. So thank you guys, and I'll see you in my next tutorial.